Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're on our third episode of our lockdown series. So today I'm going to show you how to do a simple look. Today is a weekend here in Dubai. Still, I wanted to show you something that I will normally use on a weekend. Let's say for example I'm going to go out doing some grocery shoppings and all. So this is normally the look that I go to. So it's going to be quick and very easy. Minimal products will be used, but still the essentials will be there. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. I'm still using this. This is my favorite primer. L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. Concealer. Next is concealer. This is really good from the drugstore. After that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm in the shade Warm Nude 128. This is a dual-ended pencil. It's from Miniso. Eyebrow and eyeliner. Smooth eyebrow pencil and eyeliner. I'm going to use the eyeliner part on this tip, the eyeliner tip. Then I'm just going to line my eyes. And next, I'm just going to get something to highlight my eyes. So, this one. The one that I always use to highlight my inner corners. And I will also add a little bit on my brow bone. Okay. Use my mascara. So I'm using this Kiko Milano Ultra Tech Volume and Curl Mascara. I'm using this again. I need to warm up my face. Final touch is the lipstick. So I'm using this MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Mullet Over. My MAC Fix Plus. To dry it up. So I have my fan here. Ta-da! Hey guys, so that completes this look. I hope you've learned something new from me today on this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other on my next video. Bye!